Hi guys, just folded up another one of JB's dad paper aeroplane. I have trouble with his name. Why he has to have a channel name like that? JB's dad paper airplanes. Yeah, anyway, he does great instructional videos on how to fold them up. The only thing is he uses letter paper, I can't remember what you call it, and I use A4 paper, which is slightly smaller, so we don't get quite the same shape. Anyway, I will throw it and see if it works. Well, there you go, it flies. It's a bit delicate on the front here where it keeps bashing into things. But yeah, another success for JB's dad paper planes. Or at least it works for me. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.